The virtual gym is the only technology that reduces visceral fat. And if you're 45 or over and you have visceral fat, then you have started developing fatty liver. We have had several studies that show that after 15 treatments, liver, fatty liver, hepatic steatosis becomes healthy. And all the variables that are associated with it, ALP, AST, ALP, creatinine, bilirubin, albumin, all of these variables are normalized. So you're 45, you have two choices. You have the choice of going to the gym, or you have the choice of effortless exercise at the virtual gym that was invented in London University by the recommendation of the pacemaker. After 20 years of empirical research, since then, we have done another 25 years of research to create this technology that is handmade in the United Kingdom.